Hi guys, so Merrion Gate double crossing in Dublin was Callow. Right, this is for a train to the not House. No. Oh bugger! I don't know if this is the House or the other station, whatever it was. And like I said, oh, this one says Merrion on it. The other one didn't. Even though they're expecting a high tide, train's not coming yet. The tide is all the way, camera focused, all the way out there. Might change my battery around after this. Oh, I did not notice that. We have an old barrier here again. Brand new by the looks, maybe. Is she coming? Yep, here she comes. Oh no, it's not one of the tricky trains again, is it? Right. Can you see the barrier? No, it's I'm behind one of them. And we have... Yeah, it's the long and confusing dark by the looks. Oh no, 8629. It's a Host. The 8616 to Host, and she goes. I'll try to in the next video.